Did you know that investing in the stock market can open the doors to a world of hidden charms? It's time to dive into the untold magic of stock market investments. Imagine being able to turn your hard-earned money into a powerful tool. The stock market offers opportunities to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. But how does it work? First, let's understand the basics. The stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. By investing in these shares, you become a partial owner of the company. And when the company thrives, so does your investment. But it's more than just buying and selling. Stock market investments allow you to participate in the success of global brands, innovative startups, and cutting-edge technologies. You become a part of the world's economic engine. What's truly magical is the potential for long-term growth. Historically, the stock market has outpaced inflation and provided substantial returns over time. By investing wisely and staying patient, you can watch your investment grow steadily. But remember, investing also carries risks. The value of stocks can go up and down, and there's no guarantee of profits. That's why it's important to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and seek professional guidance. Now, you might be thinking, is stock market investing only for the rich? Absolutely not. In fact, the stock market offers opportunities for everyone, regardless of your budget. Thanks to online platforms, you can start with even a small amount of money. So, whether you dream of retiring early, buying your dream home, or simply gaining financial stability, consider the untold magic of stock market investments. Don't miss out on the potential to create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching this video on the untold magic of stock market investments. If you found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, with knowledge and careful planning, you too can unlock the hidden charms of the stock market.